Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video as well. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to diagnose and fix a bad or blown out turn signal light bulb. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So when you put on the turn signal, you can notice it's blinking normal, but the left one is blinking really fast. That means one of the light bulbs is blown out. And you could also put the emergency lights. Emergency lights work, but to find out which one is bad, you basically have to look in the front or the back, but I can see the front blinking here, so most likely it's the back. So let's check it out. As you can see, the light in the front is working, as well as the one on the side. But if you look at the rear, nothing's happening. So the light bulb is bad. That's kind of like an early warning sign, or just letting you know what's going bad. So let's see how to replace it. You got to basically lift the entire back gate. I'll show you right now. Okay, so when you lift the entire back gate, or lift gate, whatever you want to call it, you will see this here. That's where the light is at. You'll see these two screws. You basically unscrew them and the cover thing just pops straight out this way. So let me go ahead and unscrew this and then show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see here the light fixture is out, and you could kind of see these things here, those two, that screw, and then that little part here connects to those areas here, those holes, basically to put it back in place. And the light bulb is that one there in the middle. And I'll show you how you can tell that's the correct one. Okay, so I have the other side working. So you can see here there's a light bulb on the top. There's that one there in the middle. And there's one on the bottom. And the one that's blinking is the middle one. That's how you know you replace the middle one. Okay, I really wish I had a second person helping me, but you see how it comes off? And I already replaced the light bulb. It just basically comes straight out and you basically pop it back in. And the way it is here, let's see if I can try to get it. You push it in and you see how it is there, flush. And it comes up like that to go back in place. And then basically do the opposite way down in order to pop it out. But I don't want to do that anymore. Okay, so there you can see the rear light is working again. And when you're back in the car, you can see here, the turn signal's back to normal. It's not flashing fast anymore. Just like the other one, which was working before. And then of course the hazards should be working okay. So let me know what you think about the video. You know, give me a thumbs up, like I said, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave any comments or questions and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.